Hey ding dongs! So today I'm gonna be doing a THREDUP unboxing. This is my first purchase from THREDUP, and I've got about I don't know how many things, but everyone's been on the internet. You've heard what THREDUP is. Ooh. So I've got 2 bundles of stuff. Here's what's inside. The world's biggest online used retailer website. So basically, I did a sustainable thing and went thrifting online since I don't have time to go in person. And let me just tell you, oh, look how nice everything's all folded up and whatnot. I tried not to get super trendy things. Okay, it doesn't stink or anything, so maybe they wash their clothes. Oh, so this is kind of cute, I think. Let's just try it on. It looks cute, but I think it may be a little too trendy for me. It fits nice. I don't know if it's me though. What do you guys think with my pajamas? And I'll put prices of everything. So I also got this white dress. And these are Aster. Everything's in pretty good condition. I thought this would be cute to wear over something. And I got look at this. This dress was brand new. $20. It's a waif. A lot of the things I got. So they upsold this dress because the tag says $14.97, but they sold it for $20, which is kind of stupid, but I think it looks cute. Ooh, this shirt is cute. This one I wasn't too sure if I wanted because it's really loud. Oh wait, what kind of sleeves are these? The brands I know from working at Nordstrom and Nordstrom Rack. So it was very hard to decide what I wanted. What kind of sleeves are these? This shirt is interesting, but I've always wanted a shirt like this. My stomach's poking out because I just ate. Okay, what is this? Oh, there's buttons. I was like, what the hell? Okay, so this is this. It probably looks stupid with what I have on, but I'm looking and everything looks like it's in good condition. I feel like I keep saying that. Okay, these sleeves are stupid. Let me check in the mirror really quick. I don't know if this is me, guys. My belly is hanging out. Ooh, and I've been searching for a jean jacket. Obviously they're not hard to come by. I got this one. It's Universal Thread. I don't even know. Universal Thread is Target's brand. Oh, look, I found a loose thread. But I mean, it feels sturdy. The other package wrapped, and I've also been looking for a jean jacket. So everything I got was staple pieces. Ooh, this was Sanctuary. We'll have to see if it's cute or not. Alright, so 2 jackets. We can take off the shirt. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this shirt. I think it kind of looks stupid. What's this? Oh, look at this. I got an Anthropologie black tank top. Like, it's basic, but it's not. Look at the ribbing. And what is it made out of? It's cotton, right? Yeah, 100% cotton. Like, this is like a nice, basic, like, staple. Like, it's just a tank top, but it's a quality brand that'll be nice for like the summertime or whatever. Like, you can just feel the way it's made. Like, it's nice and thick. The construction is good. Yeah, I've really been into like boho 70s vibes. So this is another shirt from Sanctuary. I don't think anybody likes to look at clothes not on somebody, right? Because I know when I'm like watching videos, I don't want to see you holding it up. I just want to see like how it looks on you. Because holding it up is one thing. That's cool. I think. Is this like, ooh, is this over the shoulder? How does that look? I know everything's throwing it off because I'm wearing pajama pants. Okay, this is cute. I'm definitely gonna keep this one. Ooh, yeah, I like this one. I wish they would say like how much I paid, like on the box or the receipt. This is a cute shirt. I like it. We'll just have to see like how long I can keep it white for. And I think this is like if you guys know your brands, like that's one thing at Nordstrom that I really appreciate. Oh my gosh, another white ruffle shirt. It's Aster. Like, if you guys know anything, I know, well, at least for me, like, I know that working at Nordstrom and Nordstrom Rack taught me, like, a lot about brands and fashion, I guess. Just, like, what brands to look out for, what brands are cheap, what brands are good. Like, you don't, I guess you don't have to work at a store if you just, like, pay attention. Yeah, this makes me look super fat because I just ate. But I just needed like a lot of shirts because I have pants. Oh, I think this is cute. It reminds me of like Milkmaid. But I've always just wanted like a tight little crop top because that's what the girls are wearing for summertime. I love it. Don't you guys love it? Okay, and this is just like a plain black striped shirt, but it's Vince. Is this black or navy? I really can't tell, and it's making my eyeballs hurt. But I know Vince is like an expensive brand, so I wanted to see like, is this still good? Yeah, I think maybe I'm too fat. Fits me a little tight. And then I splurged on this shirt. Like, it seemed nice on the website. It's a size 4. It was like $25. It's brand new with the tags, but it still like goes with the boho theme. We'll try that on last. Let's try on this jean jacket though. I've always wanted a jean jacket. Is this real leather? It is. The shell is genuine leather. Professional dry clean only. Like, leather jackets are supposed to last forever, right? At least that's what I've heard. It's like a motorcycle style. Am I giving you French Parisian? Okay, but does the zipper work? Oh yeah. It's just getting caught We'll fix it. Alright, what do you guys think? Hopefully it looks cool. I don't know. I feel like I look like the Terminator. The shirt is not gonna work because it's too tight. Like, it's a size small. I need a medium because I know as soon as I put it in the dryer, it's gonna shrink. And the head hole's like already too small. Like, it's a nice shirt. I would keep it, but I need a bigger size shirt. Okay, I just couldn't decide if I wanted like light denim or dark denim, but I'm liking the way this fits. Like, this is nice and comfortable and stretchy. Alright, this is a solid jacket. I like it. Like, it's cool. This Nanette Lepore, and I think it's made out of silk, according to, let's see, yeah, it's 100% silk, so I thought that was cool, because it's like a natural material. I believe the lining's made out of polyester, but I'm trying to save the landfill and saying no to fast fashion. So it has like a lot of really nice detail. This is definitely like a shirt that you would wash in a garment bag. But let's see. Is it really me? I don't know. What do you guys think? A 50-year-old Indian mom? I don't know about this shirt, you guys. I feel like this shirt really dates me. I think that was all of my purchases. About like 9 or 10 things. Oh yeah, 10 or 11 things. And I'm saying no to a few, but so far I'm impressed with THREDUP's quality. The shipping did take like a while, a week to be exact, like 7 days or so. But all of the items seem to be matching their online descriptions, you know, like new, good wear, no wear, minor wear. Their website does take forever to search through though, so keep that in mind. Like, it took me a very long time to decide like what I was ordering on the website, but I'm pretty impressed with the quality. I will say, however, I'm really upset that they don't have a men's option, because I was like, oh, I'm buying all these clothes for me, and I saw they have kids, but they don't have men's. Like, I think that's pretty dumb, and they should do at least something for men for used clothes. Now I just have to figure out how to return these 2 things that I don't want. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. And if you guys do like this video, then please thumbs up. It helps out a lot. I know you guys hear people saying that, but it does, because if you thumbs up the video, then I know that you guys want to see more videos like this, or I know that you like it. If you don't like it, then I don't know what to do. Alright, bye ding dong.
Don't ever trade your soul. Don't even listen to him. He don't know nothing at all.